Oh, my dazzling darlings. Sparkle Stacy here to introduce the Va Pint Pie Fall Press on Nails, a seasonal splash of style just in time for Thanksgiving. With a charming maple leaf design, these fake nails add a touch of vintage autumn elegance to your look. Each set includes 24 medium square nails in 12 sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every finger. Forget long hours at the salon. Achieve a professional manicure at home in just 15 minutes. The package comes with a mini nail file, a wooden stick, and adhesive tabs for easy application. Just sand, apply, press, and you're set for all your daily activities, from typing to gardening, without a hitch. Want to change up your style? Simply soak, peel, and reuse for endless possibilities. While the package doesn't include glue, your personal adhesive ensures a longer-lasting hold. Rated 3.4 out of 5 stars, these press-on nails are a popular pick. Embrace the season with Va Pint Pie's product Fall Fake Nails Design 1692 and make every outfit pop with autumn flair. I love you all. Stay sparkly and sparkle. Sparkling Stacy.